Hi everyone, and today we're juicing citrus. Can't you tell? I feel like I'm coming straight from the Amalfi Coast today with my citrus outfit. But seriously, I love my juice every morning. It's the best thing for me. And the citrus press here with the Cook Expert does the job really beautifully. I'm going to show you how. So the citrus press clicks onto the front like so. And you click it on. So you secure that down and you open it up. It has two cones, one that fits inside the other, one for lemons and one for oranges and grapefruit. So I'm going to use the larger one today, and it's got a little spike at the top, which is great because it actually helps the fruit to actually stay in place. So I'm going to pop it inside like that, so easy. And then my fruit, my oranges, so just pressing it down onto that spike, and I'm going to turn it on. And I'll show you how beautifully it actually juices. It uses up all of that beautiful fruit. So on again. Make sure you turn it off before you open it up. So here we go again. And you can see it uses up every little bit of the juice, so the orange. I'll show you how beautiful this juice is. And you get so much out of, your fruit. Wow, look at that. That's two beautiful oranges, and the juice is really, really beautifully pressed. Cheers.